What is graphic design? Graphic design is the art and practice of creating visual information that conveys thoughts or ideas to a specific audience. It involves mixing images, text, and other visual elements to create items such as logos, posters, websites, ads, and packaging. The purpose of graphic design is to make information visually appealing and effective, hence improving and the user experience and clearly communicating a brand's identity or message. Principles of graphic design. The principles of graphic design are important guides for designers to produce visually appealing and effective compositions. These ideas are critical for creating balance, contrast, harmony, and unity in design. Emphasis. Emphasis focuses on highlighting the most important part of design to guide the viewer's attention. This is often achieved through contrast, colors, size, or placement. Rhythm. The repetition or alternation of elements to create a sense of organized movement or pattern in the design. Rhythm can lead to cohesive and harmonious compositions. Pattern. Pattern can be used to create visual interest. It is done by repeating certain elements or colors to give the design a more unified look. Pins can create structure and consistency, making it easier for viewers to quickly determine where they should look using your design. White space, the empty areas around elements in the design. Space helps to create balance and emphasize important elements and prevent the design from feeling cluttered. Movement. Directs the viewer's eye along a path through the design, often using lines, shapes, or the positioning of elements. It creates a sense of motion and guides the flow of information. Variety. The integration of different elements and variations in a design to prevent monotony and maintain the viewer's interest. Variety adds dynamism and complexity to a composition. Unity. Unity refers to the sense of cohesiveness in a design where all elements work together to create a complete, consistent, and harmonious whole. Types of graphic design. Graphic design comprises the wide range of specifications, each focusing on different aspects of visual communication. Each of the types of graphic design requires a different set of skills and often involves collaboration with other designers, marketers, or developers to bring projects to life. There are 6 basic types of graphic design. That is typographic design, advertising design, corporate identity design, illustration design, packaging design, and digital design. Here are some notes and examples for all the types of graphic design.